Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to build the reservation feature. Reservation feature is a great option for restaurants, beauty salons, offices, and more. Using the built-in booking system, users can reserve time slots for various services, and you can fill up your calendar without having to take calls or reply to emails non-stop. To get started, you're going to want to head to the Build section. Then click Add Feature and search the Reservation feature. Then click Select. Then give your feature a name. Then click Add. And go ahead and scroll down on the left side menu until you reach your reservation feature. Under Screen Info, change your screen feature name or leave as is. This is the name that will appear in the app's feature menu. So you could do, say, booking as opposed to reservation feature. Next, under reservation, you can either choose from one of the reservation services, such as MindBody, Front Desk, Booksteam, and Groupon, and all you have to do is input the booking service URL to have your app include this reservation service, or you can click Customize your own reservation system. This is what I'm going to show you today. First, you're going to want to add a mobile header image. So for this example, we're going to do a hair salon. So we can either choose from one of our pre-made images or select one of your own images. For this, maybe we'll just do this family, and they're all going to get a haircut. Click Select. And you can also choose your tablet header image as well. Next, we're going to head to the Location section. Click Add Location. This is where you're going to add a new address and choose your available hours and information. So since we are a hair salon, let's say we're not going to be open on Sundays and we're going to be open every other day. Maybe Saturday we're going to be open a little bit later and close a little bit later as well. Maybe on Wednesday. So this is fully customizable. We're now going to input a valid website for this location. When users click the One Touch Website button, this website will open automatically. So for this, we'll do myhairsalon.com, just as an example. And then we also have email and telephone. These are also going to have the One Touch feature where, for example, the email will auto-populate into the field and the telephone will automatically dial. At gmail.com, and then for this, put your telephone number. Next, we're going to add an address. So for this, we're going to do hair salon. We'll just select this one. And then it's going to auto-populate into the custom location name, but if you want, you can do your own address section. So we could do 34th Street location in New York, New York. And lastly, we're going to choose our distance type, either kilometers or miles. So for this, we'll do miles. And then go ahead and click Add, and we now have a location. Great, next we're going to click Information. This is where you're going to input your business's general information. So under name, we're going to put My Hair Salon or whatever the case is. And then we're going to write a little bit of a description. So maybe located in downtown NY, we are a high-end hair salon with many services. And then next we're going to toggle on or off the unlimited reservation. Turn on the toggle to indicate that there are unlimited reservations for each time slot. And lastly, we're going to add unavailable dates. So for this, your business won't be open, and I'm going to choose December 25th and say we will be closed on Christmas Day. Then we'll want to head to the payment section. Choose your currency and then toggle on or off the Braintree section. The Braintree allows for your users to purchase products and make payments directly from your mobile app. Once you have this information, go ahead and plug in your merchant ID, your Braintree public key, and your Braintree private key. Another option is you can toggle on the cash option as well. Users will need to pay upon receiving the service if the cash option is enabled. Next, we're going to go to services. Go ahead and click Add Service. First, we're going to fill out the details. So for the service name, we'll do woman's haircut. And the price we'll do, since it's high end, we'll do $60, and the reservation fee will do 10%. So what that means is basically it's a way for customers to retain their appointment, and if you take 10% reservation fee, if say they don't show up, they're going to take 10% of whatever the price is. So for this example, it would be taking $6. Next, you can toggle on the unlimited simultaneous service possibilities. Turn on this toggle to indicate that unlimited services can be booked at this time. Choose the duration of this service. So for women's haircut, we'll just do 60 minutes. And then we're going to choose an image of the item, so you can either choose from one of our pre-made images or upload one of your own. So for this, we're going to use this woman, click select, or you can type the URL of your image. Next, we're going to go to the availability section. We're going to choose which available location that this is going to be at, so we'll just do the 34th location, and then we'll choose a specific time, or you can choose any open time. So let's say we'll do specific time, and we're only going to be able to do it these 4 days, maybe from 7 to 3 on this day, 10 to 5. Okay, great. Then we're going to click Add. So now we have a service. You can continue to add services. Say, let's do a boy, like a boy haircut. And we'll put the price as $25 and no reservation fee because the cost isn't too much. And then for this, we'll do 30 minutes duration. Go ahead and select an image. And then we'll say any open time at this location because it doesn't take as long. And you can continue to add services until you're satisfied. Then we're going to go into emails. This is where you're going to customize the order confirmation emails. For the user, this is where you're going to get the subject. This is what the customer is going to receive when they place an order. We've already created a message template as well as email objects, but you can also customize this if you'd like. And here we have the canceled section where this is the message that a customer will get if they've canceled their service. And then we'll go ahead and click admin. And this is a required part where you're going to want to put the admin email here. And they will receive all reservations. So here the subject, a user has made a reservation, and we have a message template, email objects, and then the same canceled section. Remember, you can customize this, but we've also created a template for you. And here are the custom guides. This is where you can customize how individual items are displayed in confirmation emails, such as your print template, your email objects, and then customizing specific text. And then lastly is extras. This is where you can go ahead and add a printer or connect to Google Cloud Printer. Great. You can also download your Google Calendar here as well. Go ahead and click Save at the top right when you're done.